Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video it's just going to be a shorty. We are going to put in these LED lighting, as you can see here, yellow. They go right in here, so that's where we're going to be at. Alright, so this is pretty simple. Just get your hood open. I'm pretty sure these are standard on any Honda. Now these marker lights, as you can see, the yellow in there happens to be right in there. So we're just going to reach in here . Turn the connection until she comes out. There we go. So these here are supposedly supposed to be exactly the same size as them there. So let me open this up. I don't see a positive or a negative on there, but this is how it looks. So just pull this bad boy out. You can see how they're about the same size. Trying to hold this thing and put it in at the same time. There we go. And you should be able to do your lock on your key fob, and it'll, yeah, there we go. So you can see the difference in. And then all you do is stick her back inside the housing and give her a twist. There we go. So we'll do the unlock again. Oh yeah. See how bright that is? Let me show you the stock one. Quite a bit different. So same thing over here. Go. Now you can get rid of old halogen 101. Try the old key fob again. There you go. Alright, so we can turn our headlights on and actually see them on full blast. Alright guys, so before we show the actual footage of what it looks like, let's discuss how well these bulbs really are. For one thing, they do not give you a message on the dash as far as an error about no bulbs being installed. So they built in the resistance enough in there to prevent that. They also don't get hot at all. They're the same size as the factory ones that came out, so that's a good thing, because some LEDs you'll get, they'll be twice as long and it won't fit in the housing right. They're super bright. Matter of fact, when I was going home that night from work, they were so bright they were shining on the outboard lanes on each side from the car. I could actually see it because the way the Fit light bulb set way out there with like a 3D projection type lens. So anyway, as far as that, they turned out pretty good. So far so good. I'll make a video later down the road to make sure all this stuff is still working and it's worth the money, so stay tuned for that. But also we got another video coming out in a couple of days for everything in the back of the car: brake lights, reverse lights, blinker lights, all that. So stay tuned for that. So let's roll the rest of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll leave all the parts below and in the comments. Till next time. There we go. Pretty nice and bright. So that's basically it for this video. Pretty short and simple. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Till next time.